Right, hello folks, we are here in Southampton and we've had a bit of a nightmare. So we're going on a cruise tomorrow and we only live down the road in Dorset. However, we like to get a hotel the night before so that we're here ready to go in the morning. Yeah. I found a hotel a year ago because I wanted to get in there soon because I remember it's quite hard to book around cruising time. And I saw this hotel and I thought, that'll do. I must have read at least one good review.
Yeah.
So Tuesday night rolls around and I said to Saoirse, we're watching YouTube, I said, shall we just type the hotel in and see if anyone else has stayed there and we could look at their review?
Yeah.
What we saw terrified us.
Yeah.
This hotel is called The Star, and sorry to drop you in it, but just as a warning to other people who might potentially stay there, there was a couple of videos. One was from Bob Cruises, I think, and I can't remember who the other one is, but I'll put it up on the screen. And Bob Cruises, I think, was the one who had mould in his room.
Yeah.
There was a review who said that
They got bed bug bites.
they got bed bug bites.
With photographs as well. And yeah, I think
They wouldn't give their money back, would they?
They wouldn't give them the money back. And the thing is, I think that a lot of these people are saying, right, it's good value for what it is, but these people were saying that they'd only paid £50.
We paid £200.
Yeah.
Well, 193 quid it was.
Yeah.
And so we just panicked and we thought, oh no. I checked my terms and conditions on booking.com and it said if I cancel by the 13th, I can get my money back. And it was 10:30 on the 12th. So we very quickly cancelled it and we booked an apartment as a kind of last minute resort.
Yeah.
So we're going to give you a look around. It's going to be the first of a few cruise videos, and watch this video if you're considering a cruise or if you've got a cruise booked and you're thinking about getting accommodation in Southampton. This might change your mind, or it might sway you, or it might help inform your decision. So come and have a look with us.
A lot of the time when you're going on a cruise the next day, your first thought is a hotel, and I know a lot of the hotels are often booked up really early. So we thought we'd just really explore the idea of getting an apartment instead.
So the first thing is the location. This is the thing I think I'm the most happy with. Before we even look inside, the thing I'm the most happy with is the location. So this is Queen's Park?
Yes, this is Queen's Park.
This is Queen's Park.
Pretty close to the city centre.
And that's the Ocean Cruise Terminal where I believe so that's P&O Iona right there. That's our sister ship. We're going on P&O's P&O ARVIA. And
you can literally see it right here.
She's there. So our room is called the Titanic Room. So we've just literally been in and dumped our bags so that we can kind of give you first impressions as we go in. So I'm going to have to read the code out to you.
Okay, that's a bit weird.
So you need to get the keypad lit up.
How do I do that? Like this? Like that?
Just put your...
What do I do?
Just press it on the middle.
Oh.
Or somewhere. Press... There you go. So it's...
Yeah, here it is. Just put the lights on.
I think this... I mean, the first thing that strikes me is... There's an aircon!
Oh, there is aircon, yes.
There's an aircon. So it's a very, very basic little apartment. Yeah. But I think for one night, it's absolutely perfect.
I think we need to...
So we've got a little kitchen area over here. In fact, 2 seconds. We're just going to get comfortable and then we'll give you a full tour. So let's give you the grand tour. So this is me stood in the middle of the room. I'll do a 360. There's Saoirse just making her way to the little kitchenette area. Would you call that a kitchenette, Saoirse?
I would say it's a kitchenette, yeah. And unfortunately, with it not being a hotel, I don't think that there's any stuff for tea like you would usually have.
No, there is.
Oh, look! Oh, my goodness. So, yeah, so you've got your PG tips, your biscuits.
What biscuits are they?
They're little Biscoff type ones, I think.
Very nice.
Pretend ones, you know.
Pretend biscuits.
Caramelised biscuits. Got a bit of milk and your Nescafe and sugar.
Well, that'll do us for the morning.
Yeah, it's got a couple of mugs, got some kitchen utensils. Don't think we're going to be cooking in here.
No.
Usual bits and bobs in there. Bin. And then more bits and bobs and
An iron.
an iron if you ever use one of those.
Well, we might need to get our formals, but we could do that on the ship as well.
The usual bit.
There's a hob here. If you're doing some cooking for the evening, if you wanted to eat your dinner here, we're going to be going out for ours. But if you wanted to cook, there is a hob.
Handy dandy little draining board there. That's quite cool actually.
Kettle. Shall we see how clean the kettle is? Doesn't look too bad. One thing about living in the southwest is that we have hard water, so the water's normally got a lot of limestone sediment in it, which causes lime scale. But actually, that looks pretty good. Toaster, microwave.
What's that? What is that?
I don't know if that does anything.
Why is it? What is it?
I think it's just a design, maybe.
I don't know. It's just wall. That's just wall. You've got a really good circle there. Little tiny fridge.
I mean, we're not going to really need it, are
No,
we?
we won't be using that. And I'm guessing that the big thing to check will be the bathroom and the mattress.
And we've got a plug socket either side of the bed with a USB, which is really, really handy. We don't have a bedside table at that side, which might be a little bit frustrating, but it's not too bad, really. We'll make do. And there's a window out here, which Saoirse's already had a quick peep out of, and I think it just goes out onto a little private courtyard.
Which is quite nice. Hopefully that means that there's not going to be too much noise at night. Central Southampton is a little bit on the noisy side.
It is a little bit, however, we might not need the window open at all with our aircon. There's an aircon! Oh. There's a TV which is in a really nice position for the bed, actually. And speaking of the bed, Saoirse, would you like to do the honours and tell us how comfortable it is?
So, okay, well let's just see how comfy it is first. That's actually alright, that's not bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, not bad at all. And that's quite a nice pillow as well, quite nice and soft. I like a soft bed and a soft pillow. So that's good for me. Yes, I like it. Should we have a look inside, see if they're a bit... I don't know if I want to, but... They look alright actually, pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, should we have a look at the mattress? So that looks alright, should we have a look underneath?
I think what other YouTubers do is they look in the morning after they leave. Oh!
It's alright, yeah, it's a proper, I don't know what you call it, like a memory foam mattress, I think.
Wow.
It looks alright. Or is that just a mattress cover? I don't know.
Either way, it looks clean.
It does look clean. Looks all really quite new, actually, to be fair.
The whole apartment looks clean. I mean, there's a few marks on the wall over there, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. There's a clock up there which has stopped, but when it comes to 5:45, it will be telling the right time.
One thing I would say, basic, which is perfect for us, and clean, which is good, as far as I can see so far. No decorations, but...
Yeah.
That's that, you know,
A picture on the wall would be nice.
It hasn't got the character that you'd get in a hotel, but it was a safe booking, I think, for us.
However, the character of our last hotel was very much a villain.
Yeah, I was a bit scared about that one.
Bathroom first impressions?
Looks alright.
One thing that's a bit weird about the bathroom is it's kind of a saloon door, so it doesn't. There's no lock on it. It'd be something to note if you were staying here with perhaps people you didn't know that well or friends that you weren't massively comfortable with.
Yeah, although you are all sleeping in the same room, so you have to be certain.
Yeah.
Shower looks alright.
Fairly basic, but
Fairly basic.
do for our showers in the morning, I think.
But clean, and that's...
It does look clean.
That was important, really.
And that is pretty much it. There's a coat rack in the corner. There is a clothes hanger with some hangers on it. There's an ironing board for the iron. And there's a big mirror by the door for you to check your outfit in the morning, I suppose. So we're going to get settled in, and yeah, I'm really happy with this.
Sorry, just get some cute little freebies as well. Bath and shower gel and shampoo and conditioner with some little
Very
towels.
nice.
So,
And that's a towel each, because there's 2 towels on that one, and then Josh has got his own towel there. One thing that's fantastic about this place is the location. If you fell over, you'd be halfway to the cruise terminal. So yeah, we're going to get settled in. We're going to probably go out for some tea, dinner, depending on where you are in the country. Join us for whatever we decide to film next. All right, cheers. So we've decided dinner is Wingstop. And
Joshua's choice.
I'm going to say that wasn't mine and Sophie's choice. However, we had it last year and it was very good. They just forgot our order. Yeah, we're going to Wingstop, which is apparently a 3-minute walk. And there's a co-op nearby, so we can get a few snackies for tonight. Maybe stick a movie on, eh? Oh yeah, that's another thing that we haven't mentioned. So the road that connects us to Southampton is on fire. So
It's not funny.
we're laughing at ourselves, if anything.
It took us over an hour and a half to get here. It's not.
That's a Tudor-looking building ahead.
Oh yeah, pretty. Probably.
It's closed today, but it's a medieval merchant's house. It's a 14th century home.
Wow, oh my gosh, look at the curtained bed. That was to keep the heat in.
There's a ferry or a freighter or something down there. I think it is a ferry. It's not something you see every day, is it? A limousine outside of a Tudor building.
Oh my gosh, that's so strange.
This is the old city walls, which dates back to 1450. So it's very much a Tudor city then.
Medieval West Quay, 1450.
Josh is on there, look. Clinker.
Oh yeah.
You're a clinker, aren't you, bud?
He is a clinker. This is part of a boat.
Oh, wow.
The bottom bit. I don't really know what you call it.
The hull?
Probably says it there, doesn't it, somewhere?
Is it the hull?
Yeah,
No,
it's not
stern
the whole.
post, stem post, and the
Yeah.
strakes.
Oh,
I know that from Sea of Thieves.
Do
fair
you?
enough.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Hopefully our boat tomorrow is a little bit more sophisticated.
The historical place.
Oh, it's a replica.
Yeah. No need for a window cleaner. Imagine if that was the window in your house. So this plaque is just saying that the wall was built after some Genoese soldiers attacked, some mercenaries attacked the town, so they built it for future defences.
Yeah. Josh just said, Mum, you don't have to keep reading everything. You don't have to stop at every time to read everything.
Have you ever met your mother, Josh?
Oh?
It's Sasha we're talking about. She loves to stop and read all the information. If only there were things to collect, we'd be here for hours. We're in Wingstop. We just got our drinks. I got Dr. Pepper Cherry Vanilla. You've got Dr. Pepper. You don't know what you've got.
I don't know.
Do you want to try and guess
Is it
what it
7
is? It's 7-Up something.
It just tastes like 7-Up.
Oh, it's meant to be 7-Up Peach. Oh.
They run out of peach juice or something.
Special shout out to the waiter who just, with a big grin on his face, just said, "Are you guys vlogging?" Yes, we are. He was very, very nice. Wingstop, the waiter in Wingstop, with a big smile on your face. Thank you. It makes a big difference. Oh, Josh was already tucked into his.
Is this his?
I got honey mustard. No, I got ranch. Josh got honey mustard.
Yeah, but didn't you get chips?
I got sweet potato fries. Ah, this is a common theme with Wingstop. Regular sweet potato fries, yes.
I love the fact that the cheese chips is just like a couple of... I mean, I'm not complaining because they're really nice chips, but... The seagulls have arrived. Dad's coming back to find out on the mystery of his...
Yeah, he certainly just forgot. He said he'd bring them out in a minute. So that was Wingstop. Is it worth 54 quid? No. It's not worth 54 quid. Is it nice? Yes, it's very nice. But 54 quid, I mean, it's just like, I don't know, I feel like you could get so much more for that. It's good, it's just not.
Fast food is very expensive now.
Yeah. Not bad. While Saoirse looks for her books, we've decided to come get some frozen yoghurt on here. What's the verdict on frozen yoghurt? You said better than ice cream. Josh got kiwi mango and honey, and I've got kiwi mango and pistachio. Pistachio. Yeah. What do you think it's like being in here as an autistic person?
It's a little bit loud, but you can bear with it.
I find it like, because we can't separate background noises, I just feel like I'm hyper aware of every movement, every sound. I miss one now. So that's Yogu in West Quay in Southampton, 2 mediums, 14 quid. Right, we're just on our way back to the apartment. We've had some food, Saoirse's done a bit of shopping. Me and Josh have had some frozen yoghurt, lots of shopping, yeah.
Not lots of shopping.
We're going to head to the shop, get some drinks and some snacks for tonight. I'm going to start editing this video so I can have it out before we set off. Right, we're ready to turn in. It's going to be an early night for us because we've got a big day tomorrow. It's embarkation day. So, yeah, see you in the morning. Right, good morning folks. We've all had a kind of mixed night's sleep, not fantastic. Okay, Josh had an awful night's sleep and so did I. Nothing to do with the apartment, the beds were perfectly comfortable, it was just one of those.
He was snoring.
Josh says I was snoring, I contest that. Right, we're going to go for something to eat before we pack up. We can't board until 2:15. But we'll give you a final summary of the apartment and all that good stuff before the video finishes. What you got, Josh?
For English.
You can also do it on Photoshop.
So thanks for joining us, everyone. That's going to do it for today's video. So we've stayed in an apartment, and there's obviously some big differences between staying here and in a hotel.
Yeah. I think with the hotel, you've kind of got the inbuilt like food element of it, so you can kind of go straight down to dinner and straight down to breakfast. Like here, we have to, have to go out and source your own dinner and breakfast, which for some people they might not like. For us, we quite like having the freedom of like being able to choose where we go to eat. But apart from that, I've really enjoyed it here. I'm glad we didn't stay at the other place.
Yeah, I mean, you'll have to fend for yourselves a little bit, but we're a fairly quiet family. Like we don't drink, and we're not big sort of party goers. So just having a quiet apartment to ourselves is actually really, really good for us. So the price, we paid £150 for this place, which in peak cruising season in Southampton is actually quite good value for money.
It is. I mean, it's not that much more than where I think we paid last time we came here. We were in the Ibis, the budget Ibis, and I would say this is much nicer than that. Yeah. And obviously, it's cheaper than the hotel that we nearly stayed in. Yeah. So that's a win, I think. Yeah,
and we're closer to the docks. We're talking about practicality and how close you are. If you're booking a cruise and you're looking for somewhere to stay the night before, I don't think I could recommend this enough. This is on booking.com. It's called Oxford Street Apartments, and I highly recommend it. It's been clean, it's been comfortable, the Wi-Fi's been great, there's a smart TV, there's aircon. I'm really, really happy with it.
Yeah, it's been good.
So today is embarkation day. There's going to be more videos out. So if you really, if you want to tune in and see some cruise videos, make sure you subscribe so that you can be notified when they come out. Yeah. Because the next few videos, I don't know how many they're going to be or when they're going to come up at the moment, because it will depend on what our internet connection's like and how much time I've got. But the next video certainly will be from the cruise. Yeah, it will be embarkation day onwards. Yes, so join us for that. Thank you. Bye.